Patients and residents of St. Andrew will no longer have to travel all the way to the General Hospital to conduct minor operations, as work is being done to erect an operation theatre at the Princess Alice Hospital. This was announced by the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health, Hannah St. Paul, who said it is timely as work is also scheduled to be done on the operation theatre at the General Hospital.
At Princess Alice Hospital, we have started construction work for an operating theatre because one of our goals as hospital and community is the decentralization of service and access to care. So we believe that persons should be able to be serviced where they live. And we are now putting an operating theatre at the Princess Alice Hospital. A staff lounge is being built with laundry services, and we can appreciate that with the pandemic that we have just lived through. And that would be approximately over $200,000 in infrastructural work that is going to be done.
The PS explained that for the year 2022, our department will place emphasis on the improvement of many areas within the healthcare system, which includes the implementation of telemedicine services at the General Hospital.
So we are going to be focusing on health promotion and chronic disease prevention and management within our primary healthcare setting. We're also going to be looking at our psychosocial support and rehabilitative services, and that takes into play the mental institution as well as the construction of our Carlton House, because you know our Carlton House would have been down for some years. So we are going to be looking at the reconstruction of Carlton House. We already have the designs and we're going to be looking at that. All of the construction, all of the equipment that we have put in, if we do not have the adequate human resource, then our service cannot be delivered. So we are going to be, we have started engaging our DPA, and we are going to be looking at all our terms and conditions as it relates to our human resource. We have already started looking at training opportunities for our staff in order to have them fully equipped in order to be able to respond.
Mrs. St. Paul said the ministry is doing all they can to ensure that Grenadians can obtain the best in health services and care to maintain a healthy nation. For GBN News, I am Rena Pear Thomas reporting.